In this video, I'll be showing you how to check RAM and memory on Google Pixel phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. Now, checking your active RAM on your Google Pixel is the best method to see how much memory your background apps are consuming and ensure your device is running at peak performance. And because Android prioritizes automatic memory management, Google hides these raw metrics inside the hidden developer options panel. So what we want to do is go over to our settings application. And once we're here, scroll all the way down and you're going to see about phone at the very bottom. Then what you want to do is click on that and then scroll down to the very bottom of this submenu and you're going to find build number. Then just tap your build number 7 times exactly. It's then going to say you are now a developer. And then at the very bottom of your settings, as you can see how I see it, you see developer options. And if you don't, then you're going to go to system, then scroll down to the bottom and then go to developer options. So once you're in that, you're going to see a lot of different things, but you're going to see memory as the very first option. So go ahead and click on that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to see a full breakdown of your RAM, your complete memory, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. What I could also go over here and then go over to memory. So if you have a device kit application, go to memory and it's going to be checking your RAM over here as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.